Happy Saturday. So I just want to talk with you a little bit about core strengthening and like why it's so important. So basically we need our core muscles to do like everyday activities, whether you're doing laundry, you can probably hear the laundry from the other room here on my Saturday, or, you know, emptying the dishwasher or reaching for that bowl in the upper cabinet. Your body is made up of stabilizers and mobilizers, okay? Muscles that are stabilizing and muscles that are mobilizing. And they work synergistically to bend down and pick up laundry, right? Empty the dishwasher, or reach for things up in the cabinet. So we always need our core to be like triggering first before the arms and the legs. All right, so one really good example of that is years ago, I was running around like doing errands, and I was trying to get my grocery shopping done really quickly before my next client. And so it was the first day with clogs, and I was rushing and I tripped on my clogs and like fell right on my bum. And I was like, oh no, am I going down? Am I going down? Oh no, I can't go down. And what happens is the core muscles, okay, kick in and tighten the body to protect from the injury. So no kidding, like that day when I fell right on my bum on the hard cement floor, what I found was my rib cage muscles, so like the core muscles all under the rib cage, that's the transverse abdominis, so that like protects your spine when you're functioning and moving throughout the day. That was aching, swear to God, pinky promise. And my legs and my back and my hip were totally fine. And I know that sounds crazy bird, but it is so true. So core strengthening, yes. Does it give you the flat abs? Yeah, you can look good, but more importantly, functioning properly, staying out of injury, keeping up your balance and flexibility, mobility, right? So that you can stay moving and stay active as you get older, okay? That's the name of the game, all right? All right, that's it. Have a good day.